In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted files in Google Drive on a computer. By the end, you'll know how to restore items from the trash within 30 days, what happens after that window for personal accounts, and how recovery works for Google Workspace users up to 180 days if your organization has that enabled. Let's start at the beginning. Open your preferred web browser and go to https drive.google.com. Sign in with the Google account that owns the files you're trying to recover. This is important because each account has its own drive and trash, so make sure you're in the right place before moving on. If you deleted something recently, you can often bring it back in just a few clicks. On the left side of Google Drive, look for the trash section. In some regions, it may appear as bin, but it's the same place. Inside trash, you'll see items that were deleted within the last 30 days. Take a moment to scan through the list and find the file or folder you want to recover. The names and dates can help you identify the correct item. Once you've found it, right-click the item and choose Restore. That's the key action. Restore puts the file back into its original location in Google Drive, exactly where it lived before you deleted it. You might see a confirmation message letting you know it's been returned. If that original folder still exists, that's where you'll find the file again. Now, it's important to understand the time limits. For personal Google accounts, anything that stays in trash for more than 30 days is permanently deleted. After that point, it's no longer available in Google Drive and it can't be restored. Think of trash as a temporary safety net. It buys you up to a month to change your mind, but it doesn't hold files indefinitely. There's a different option if you're using a Google Workspace account provided by an organization. In many cases, an administrator can recover deleted files within the organization's retention period, up to 180 days if that setting is enabled. The recovery process is handled by the Workspace admin, not by end users in Drive. So if your account is part of an organization and the 30-day trash window has passed, contact your Workspace admin to check what recovery options are available under your organization's policies. That's it. You've learned how to restore files from trash, what the 30-day limit means for personal accounts, and when Workspace admins may be able to help up to 180 days. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.